Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do my winter favorites of makeup, skincare, and hair care products. I don't do these videos monthly because I like to use products for 2 to 3 months to know if I truly love them. So that is what I have compiled here, and I do these quarterly, so spring, summer, fall, and winter. Today is winter. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I do all things beauty. Hit subscribe down below so you can stay up to date when I upload next. I upload 1 to 2 videos every week, and yeah, let's dive right into it. Also, apologies that I'm looking like a mess today. I'm in a lazy t-shirt and I threw on some makeup real quick just to look a little presentable for you guys. It's been a rough week, but I just want to get this video up to you guys because I know winter is almost over. The sun has been shining my last few videos. I need to get a blind for that window, but winter is almost over. I am so excited for warmer weather. Let's just dive into the products. Let's start out with makeup. Now, I haven't been wearing a lot of like full-on face makeup because I'm dealing with a lot of acne right now. I'm really on a struggle bus, so I've been trying to let my skin breathe most days. But the makeup that I have here, I have been really loving. The Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, mine's a mess. Easy Bake Loose Baking Powder. This is in the shade Cupcake. My first impression on this, I wasn't really wowed by it, but the more I used it, it smells so good. The more I used it, the more I saw how like blurring and like light and soft, but like smoothing it was. So I do really love this. I will have to say, I do find this does break me out. I mean, a lot of makeup breaks me out, and I have read online that this will probably break you out, but other than that, it's absolutely stunning powder. You get so much in it, and I've been loving it. Concealers to go on the Huda Beauty, her FauxFilter concealer. It's a mess. That's the only thing I hate about this, is the packaging is like a mess, because when you push it in, it pops up, so you literally have to push and twist, and that like spews concealer out of the bottle. So I hate that about the packaging, but other than that, it's a beautiful concealer. It's full coverage, but it doesn't feel dry or too matte. It doesn't crease. It doesn't like, I have very dry under eyes, but it doesn't like pill or crack up, anything. It's so like smoothing and matte, and it sets so nicely, but it doesn't look cakey or heavy. It's just beautiful, and I love the way it sets into this beautiful like softening effect. If you have a lot of texture, a lot of acne you need to cover up, I absolutely love this concealer. Another concealer that I have been using again, when I go to the gym, I don't usually wear makeup on my face, but I do like to, you know, cover my eye bags a little and kind of hide some of my blemishes. What I like about this concealer, it's so thin that does not budge. It melts into the skin, but it gives decent coverage, but it's so thin it's barely there. So it's a great concealer for if you like to work out, you need just something to, you know, cover a little bit that won't budge during like a sweaty workout. This is good. It's so thin, it doesn't even look like you're wearing makeup. With this concealer, it sets very fast, so work one section at a time, because if you let it set, it'll be very hard to blend out. So great concealer. And then going on to more concealers, this I just want to mention because I feel like it has been helping my acne. This is the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer. So it has 0.5% salicylic acid in it. So I find putting a little bit of this on my breakouts kind of like dries them up throughout the day. So it tones down the redness, it softens them a little, and helps the healing process. So just shout out to this because it has been helping keep the acne at bay. I will have to say it doesn't really have great coverage. I just use it solely for the medication in it. This highlighter, I know I just recently got this in my SheGlam haul, but this highlighter I have to mention because it is absolutely stunning. I know it's not like super like, this looks amazing in packaging. I mean, it's stunning. It's a really pretty cool tone pearl highlighter, but the finish makes my skin look wet. I don't understand. And like just putting it on my hand doesn't do it justice. So here's it swatched on my hand. Again, it doesn't really do it justice, but it is absolutely stunning on the face. When you put it on your skin, it's like not chalky, like it just looks like you have like wet, glowy, glassy skin, and it's so finely milled. I just absolutely love it. I love using it. It just makes me look like I have wet skin. Doesn't pick up on a lot of texture either, because I got a lot of texture going on, and I just think it's like the prettiest highlighter. I haven't worn like highlighters lately just because they haven't been wowing me. This wowed me and it makes me want to use this every single day. And it's from SheGlam and I'm pretty sure it's like $4. Sorry, I didn't mention what it is. Moonside highlighter in Cosmic Stream. If you're new to my channel, I just did a SheGlam haul and then I have another video trying out all the products, like first impressions. This blew me away and I absolutely love it, but I'll link those videos up there if you're interested in watching them. Eye products. I love these eyeliners from Urban Decay, 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, waterproof, long lasting. Love wearing like a brown eyeliner and smudging it out just a little bit to give me a baby wing. It's just really soft, sultry, and these work really well because they're like gel, they're like creamy that you can smudge them out and they look so beautiful and they last all day. I have the colors Double Life and Corrupt, which Corrupt is a more cool toned. It has a little bit of sparkle in it, but it doesn't like interfere with anything. And then Double Life is more of like a coppery brown. So the cool tone one is Corrupt, and then Double Life is the copper one. I have just been absolutely loving them. I think they're really easy and they're just so pretty and they come in all different colors. This mascara. As soon as I bought it, I was obsessed with it. This is the YSL Lash Clash mascara in number 2, which is the brown. This is just the prettiest brown ever. I think it's a really, don't mind my terrible nails. I just think it's a really flattering, pretty brown. I just love the shade of this. It definitely lengthens and it goes on so nicely. It doesn't get too clumpy, it gives good separation, it curls. It's just like the prettiest brown mascara I've tried. I've tried a lot lately and this has been my absolute favorite. And I think it's because the undertone. Like it isn't like super amazing, like my lashes look freaking fantastic, but I think it is a really good mascara, but it has the perfect shade of brown that makes it a 10 out of 10 for me, and I just can't stop using it. And some lip products. The one I'm wearing right now that I've been obsessed with since I bought it is the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Cherry. I just love how glowy it makes my lips. It's very hydrating. I like the minty feel. I love the dofa, like it's the cutest freaking thing. It lasts good. It's so comfortable. It just gives the prettiest pink color on my lips. I've tried a few dupes and just nothing compares to this. Nothing. I know it's $40, but I absolutely love it. And then this is another product from the SheGlam haul, but I haven't stopped wearing it since I got them. So I'm going to include it in this winter. I'm sorry, but I know I'm going to be obsessed with this forever. This is a combo, a lip combo. So this is the SheGlam 101 Lipstick Liner and Duo, and this is in Soft Chai, I believe. Soft Chai. I like this for the brown lip liner. Let me swatch the brown lip liner. So this is a true brown lip liner, which is, I find like it's really hard to find. Some brown lip liners just have such a really red undertone where this one doesn't. This one's like a true brown. The lipstick on the other side's okay. I don't really use that. I actually go in with the SheGlam Lip Plumper in Walk on the Beach, which is like a nude glossy lip product, and I do that in the middle. There's the two colors. So I do this in the middle and it gives the prettiest glossy nude color with the brown outline. It's just like the prettiest nude combo lately and it's so affordable. It's so pretty and I'm obsessed with it, and it goes with a lot of eye looks. Lately I've been wearing a lot of browns on my eyes with brown mascara, the brown eyeliners. This complements them so nice, so I've been obsessed with this duo. Okay, so that was pretty much all the makeup. Again, I'm kind of just trying to make these videos like what I had been using. Like these are my ride or dies for the last couple months, and I don't want to overwhelm you with a lot of products either, but they truly are the ones that I tend to pick for every single time. Let's get into some skincare. All right, so deal with a lot of acne, and a lot of the acne medication, especially the tretinoin, dries out my skin. This has been a lifesaver. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is actually a restock. I started out with the little bottle. I finished that, so I bought the big bottle, and this is only $12 for the full size. How amazing. The Hyaluronic Acid Serum has been saving my skin this winter. It gives extra hydration. It gives a nice glow. You get a lot of product for your price, so bang for your buck. And I think it does a really good job. Like, I'm sure you can find a really nice hyaluronic acid serum out there that's probably luxurious feeling and amazing, but this gives me the same results with an amazing price tag. It is a little sticky when you go, once applied, it's a little sticky and tacky, but it sinks into the skin, and then I use moisturizers on top, so I don't even notice it, but it has been saving my skin. The dryness has been tamed, and it's amazing. I use it morning and night. It does not irritate my acne-prone skin. I even looked it up on one of the websites where you can put in the product. It has 0 ingredients in it that irritate acne, so lifesaver. Absolutely love this product. Another skincare product that has been really helping my skin. This is the Skin Fix Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. You can get this brand at Sephora. That's where I got it. And you can get refills and you save like $6 to $8, I think, which I need a refill. And I think you just, oops. You just switch it out. But what I love is the pump dispenser gives out the exact same amount every single time. So, you know, squeezy bottles, sometimes they'll do a little or a lot. And I feel like this just helps me save product. So absolutely love that you just squeeze it down and an amount comes out. Absolutely love that. And I love that it's saving plastic when you get the refill, which I think is great for the planet. This is safe for all acne skin types, whether it's fungal acne, hormonal acne, or just your traditional acne on the skin. So that's why I absolutely love this. It's helping the barrier. It gives good hydration, and it has been my moisturizer for nighttime. And I just absolutely love it, and I will be buying the refill. It is pricey, but I think it is definitely worth it. And Aquaphor has been a big product I have been using this winter for my lips. I will go out into the winter air for 10 minutes and end up with dry, cracked lips. So this has been an amazing lifesaver for that. And I even have the little like squeezy lip balm one that I keep in my coat pocket. And I just really like it. It's been a lifesaver and I love it. A body lotion. I know. You guys know I'm obsessed with these and I show them all the time. They're in my favorites and my empties. But this is a new scent. I love the vanilla, cashmere vanilla. I love that one for winter. It is so pretty. It is a really nice vanilla scent. But this one is fresh and cozy and I love it. I love the scent. It's like it's a really fresh shower scent, and I think it's going to be great going into spring with this scent. Again, I love these body lotions. They have 7 nourishing oils and butters, made for sensitive skin. The scent is so nice, like it lingers in the nicest way. It's not overpowering, but it's also not one of those body lotions where you put it on and you can't smell like nice and fresh. It's not heavy, it's not greasy. It sinks into your skin. You will not have any stickiness, but your skin will be so hydrated and soft, and I absolutely love it. You know, it's cruelty free and you can find these at Target. Love this so much. And I know I always show this, but I figured it was okay I showed it again because it's a new scent and I really enjoy this scent. I enjoy all the scents, to be honest, but I just want to mention these are my favorite. 2 hair care products I want to mention. The Verb Ghost Oil is freaking amazing. I have very fine, thin hair, so oils can weigh it down or make them greasy, but this is amazing. I absolutely love this. It's like a perfect oil. What I love the most about it, it's not like super oily. It's more like a gel oil consistency, and I think that's what really helps it be like really light on my hair. I use a pump. I split my hair in half and I use a pump on each side after I shower, and it helps my ends retain moisture. My hair's less frizzy. It doesn't weigh it down, and I just think it is a beautiful oil. I would definitely 100% repurchase this. Another product I have been really enjoying is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This is in the travel version just because if I travel, I can throw it in my bag and it's not like a huge bottle, but I use it so much I might end up getting a full-size one to keep at home. But this is the Advanced Dry Thermal Protectant. It's a heat protectant. It's a blow dry spray. It smells like tropical coconuts. It smells amazing. And it's a fine mist that you put on your damp hair and then you blow dry or style your hair. It gives a smooth blowout. It adds shine, heat protection. It is amazing. And it doesn't weigh down my fine, thin hair, so that's why I love it. I literally spray it all over my head and it does not weigh it down. It is freaking amazing for a silky blowout. My only thing about this is when you spray it, the mist is so fine. It gets on, at least it gets on my bathroom floor or on the counters, and is so slippy. Be careful, okay? It gets everywhere. Just be careful with your floors and countertops. It's a slippy mess, but this is amazing. All right, guys, so that was my winter favorites. Honestly, these are the products that I have been using the last couple months, and I will continue to use them, and a lot of them will be restocks or repurchases. If you guys have any winter favorites that you've been loving, let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm always trying to find the next best thing. I am a product junkie. That is why I have my YouTube channel, because I try so much makeup. I love buying makeup, skincare, hair care. I just love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you're new here, hit subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.